Chosen one, imagine you are going through a rough patch. Whether it's a challenging situation at work, a difficult relationship, or a series of bad days, can drain your energy, mood, and motivation. However, even during these times, you can instantly raise your vibration. This video explores 7 practical techniques to help you shift your energy, reclaim your positivity, and navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. 1. Understanding your vibrational state. Your vibrational state is the energy frequency you emit, reflecting your thoughts, emotions, and overall state of being. Signs of a low vibrational state include negative thoughts and feelings of lethargy or disconnection. This state affects your reality, attracting either more negativity or positivity, depending on your frequency. Awareness is the first step to transforming your vibrational state. Redirect your focus from negativity to appreciation by asking yourself what you can be grateful for right now, thus beginning to raise your vibration. 2. Gratitude. The instant vibration booster. Gratitude is more than just a nice practice. It's a game changer for raising your vibration. When you're grateful, it's hard to hold on to low vibrational emotions like fear or anger. Cultivate gratitude by keeping a journal or expressing appreciation to others. During challenging times, gratitude can be a lifeline, helping you shift focus from problems to what is still good. 3. Mindfulness in the present moment. Mindfulness involves bringing your awareness to the present moment without judgment, helping you escape the negativity tied to past regrets or future anxieties. Simple mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or sensory awareness can anchor you in the present, allowing you to experience life fully and raise your vibration. 4. Movement and physical energy. Physical movement is essential for shifting your energy. Exercise releases stagnant, low vibrational energy and invites high vibrational energy. Find joyful forms of movement, like yoga, dancing, or walking in nature, to instantly boost your mood and vibration. Even small acts of movement can lead to significant shifts in how you feel. 5. Surround yourself with high vibe influences. The people, media, and environments you surround yourself with significantly impact your vibration. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who inspire and support you, uplifting content, and a harmonious physical space. Curate your environment to support the high vibe life you want to live, ensuring a solid foundation of positivity. 6. The power of visualization and affirmations. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired reality, training your mind to focus on positive outcomes. Affirmations are positive statements that counter negative beliefs, gradually shifting your subconscious mind towards positivity. Consistently practicing visualization and affirmations strengthens your positive vibrational state. 7. Acts of kindness and service. Acts of kindness and service can profoundly shift your energy, moving you from a state of self-focus to a state of compassion and generosity. Small acts of kindness, like complimenting a stranger or helping a friend, can significantly uplift your vibration. When you focus on others, you receive kindness in return, creating a positive feedback loop. With all that being said, you hold the power to choose your energy in every moment. Through gratitude, mindfulness, movement, positive influences, empowering thoughts, and acts of kindness, you can shift your vibration and create the life you desire. Your vibration is your signature, illuminating your path and those around you. Engage with this content, join our high vibration community, and continue to shine your light brightly.